This video shows you how to set up an automated welcome campaign in just a few minutes. Create a new automation campaign in the Automation Tier menu. Use the single-track workflow, Registration. You can set up and edit your campaign once you have entered a name. Use the orange Start module to select the list of recipients and the sign-up form that will be used for subscription. As soon as a new customer confirms your double opt-in email, the automation campaign starts. The blue hourglass module defines the delay time for your campaign to start. To send the email right away, just leave it set to 5 minutes. Next to the green module, select an email already used in another Tier campaign. Or you can create an email from scratch. It is also possible to use an existing template. Extend the welcome campaign by clicking Add Email, allowing you to run the campaign for several weeks if needed. Once everything is set up, all you need to do is activate the automation process. Your welcome campaign is ready to go. You can find more information in our Help Center.